I love straight hair, but every once in a while I like to curl my hair. Now, usually I use a curling wand or a straightener, but Wylera Hair has just come up with a really good little tool. The Wylera Hair Dreamwave. What it consists of is this nifty little tool that you can take anywhere with you. You charge it by plugging it into your USB port, and really, really easy to use. Let me show you. We turn it on here, hold the button until it beeps, and then there is a little LCD screen here that tells you temperature. It says 180. We might just turn it up a bit. Push that button until it flashes and increase it maybe to 190. Left hand curl or right hand curl. I like to curl away from the face. Keep pressing it until it comes to the 12 here, which is actually the seconds that your curl will stay inside the little tool. We make it 10 seconds, I think. We'll just wait till it stops flashing, and that means it's heated up properly. Now, I have quite short hair, but it's important that you brush out all of the tangles first. And what I like to do is divide my hair up in sections. So I have a centre part at the moment, but I will make it into a side part. So I usually start with the hair below and just pin it up. It has stopped flashing, which means it's at the temperature you set it at 190 degrees in this case. The L is for a left-hand curl, so it'd be away from the face. And all we do, take a section, the opening goes away from the face. This is not hot, so you can't burn yourself. And press the start button here. Keep holding it, it'll start beeping, which means now it's heating up inside for the required seconds that you've put in. I think I put in 10. That means it's ready. Let go, and there's a beautiful curl there. Now, my trick is, if you want to keep it curly like that, just let it cool down in your fingers a little bit, or otherwise pull it down a little bit if you feel like you need less of a curl. Let's do another one. Wait for the long beep. And again, there's a beautiful curl. I will go ahead and do this section and fast forward it so it's not too boring for you. So my fringe I've just pinned here with my clip just to let it cool down that way, because as it cools down it will set. Now I have a beautiful head full of curls, but I don't like it so curly. So what I do is I run my fingers through. You can use a brush and just separate those curls. Lots of volume, lots of bounce. I think we're on a winner here. I start the curls round about just above temple height, so the bulk is on the bottom. If you like it a little bit less curly, I get a little bit of oil and just pull down the ends. I also like to put a little bit of volume on the top, so I'll put a bit of volume powder in there, and that's it. No burning, no burns on my fingers. I haven't burned my ear or my forehead, which I have done before. But yeah, it's a great little tool. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and I will see you next time. Bye.